Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel, Daddy Issues PH. Greetings from the North Sea. As you can see, yeah, that's just a bit of the North Sea. Fun fact: I work on board a ship. That's why I'm here now in the North Sea. For those who doesn't know where North Sea is, it's the sea between Norway and the UK. So that's for that. Let's get on to it. In this video, I will just feature an unboxing of the Amazon Echo. I bought this from Amazon UK, and I'm gonna bring it home when I go home this November 17th. So I won't waste much of your time. Let's get on with it. Let me bring this closer. Okay, so this is the box. This is the front, of course. You see, Amazon Alexa Echo. The top, you got this Amazon smiley, famous smiley, smiling, I don't know, mouth or whatever. On the side, you got these features. All the features are here. See, Zigbee. The most notable is the Zigbee Smart Home Hub. Yes, the bottom, you still get the Zigbee label there. On the other side, smart speaker Alexa plus Alexa. And the back, I think this is the front actually. See, so much for the outer box. Let's get on to the most interesting part, middle, the inside. There's a like a security tab. I won't say security, it's just for, yeah, let's say security. I'll open it up. It's a tamper-proof tape. And out of the box, we got the Amazon Echo itself in its full glory inside the plastic. So we got the Echo. We also have the manual. Everything is here. See? And important information. I think it's for safety, recycling and all that. And the other box here, we got the charger. I bought this from Amazon UK. So as you can see, it's quite hard. It's a UK plug. Yeah, it says 30 watts. It's pretty much basic, but it's a matte finish, so you get a good feel on it. Quite long cable also. And yeah, that's it. That's all in the box. Or is there something here? Had it? No, I can't see it. No, nothing here. Okay, so that's it. I'm just gonna show you the Echo itself inside. So here it is. The amazing black ball. It also comes with other colors also. This is the power adapter, the jack, and I think you can screw in some tripods here. Yeah, so that's it. This is what's included in the package. Thank you for watching my video. I'm gonna make more videos for when I'm finished using this. I'm gonna work. I'm going to do some testing, then I'm going to make another video. Thank you very much, and advance Merry Christmas.